Expressing location and direction. Fun with English prepositions. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our grammar series. Today, we're focusing on an essential part of the English language, prepositions. More specifically, we're going to explore how prepositions can be used to express location and direction. So, buckle up and get ready to master the art of using prepositions. Prepositions are magical little words that link elements of a sentence together, providing valuable information about time, location, direction, and more. Examples include in, on, at, from, to, etc. Today, our focus is on how prepositions can be used to denote location and direction. Let's start with prepositions of location. These tell us where something is. For example, the cat is in the box, the books are on the table, and the picture is at the end of the hallway. It's important to remember that English prepositions don't always follow strict logic. They often require memorization and practice. For example, we say, in the box, because the cat is surrounded by the box. However, we say, on the table, and not, in the table, because the books are resting on the surface of the table, not inside it. Now let's move on to prepositions of direction. These indicate where something is going. For instance, the dog ran to the park, the bird flew over the house, and the boy walked along the road. Remember, context is key. To is used when there is a specific destination. Over implies moving above something, while along suggests moving in the same direction as the length of something. Now, let's practice. Here are some sentences. Try to fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions of location or direction. 1. The cat jumped __ the table. 2. She moved __ New York __ Los Angeles. 3. The cup is __ the shelf __ the books. Don't worry if you struggle initially. Remember, practice makes perfect. That's a wrap for today's lesson on expressing location and direction using prepositions. We hope this video has made prepositions a little less daunting and a lot more fun. As always, remember to practice these concepts in your everyday conversations. Stay tuned for more grammar lessons in our series. Until next time, keep practicing, and happy learning.